Hi, my name's Ken Atkins. I had just hired Stewart of Lawn Tune-Up to come look at my backyard last year this time. It had been unable to grow grass for almost 4 or 5 years. I happened upon him. He was working with another client and asked him if he would take a look. Well, the result that you see right now is from just one application of Stewart's efforts on my grass. This area you're looking at was unable to seed or hold grass for, like I said, 4 or 5 years. I have 2 dogs, and they fertilize for me sometimes. So I mean, we all know what that can do to grass growing. I highly recommend Stewart. He's got great knowledge and passion for what he does, and takes care of his clients and their needs for their lawns. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah.